Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel where I tell you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. And today I'm going to tell you about an amazing event that if you've been subscribed to my channel and you have started your journey to become a blockchain developer, this event is perfect for you. And the best part is it's a virtual event, so no matter where in the world you are, you can take part in it. Right now, Gitcoin, and full disclosure, the last couple months I've actually been working for Gitcoin and I've been working on this event. We're putting on the Ethereal Virtual Hackathon, and we've got thousands, tens of thousands of dollars in prizes for all different types of projects. This hackathon goes on for the next 2 weeks. It literally just started, and you can join our Discord, you can go to our website, links are in the description, and you can find teammates and you can start working on these projects, and you can there's all kinds of cool prizes. Some of the prizes, if you win, you get to go to the Ethereal conference and present on stage the project that you worked on. A lot of the sponsors are all kinds of great companies. We're putting this on in conjunction with Microsoft. And so if you want to get your name in front of companies like Microsoft, just go check out the website. There's all different types of companies sponsoring these prizes. This is a perfect way to get to know them, for them to get to know you, the amazing blockchain developer that you've become because you've been watching my videos, right? And just join in on the fun. You know, it doesn't cost you anything. Come check it out. It goes on for the next 2 weeks. Like I said, links are in the description. Go check it out right now and get your projects out there. And maybe you can win some of these. You won't believe it when you go to the website how much cryptocurrency you can earn during this hackathon. So go check it out. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give me a like and a subscribe. That will help other people like you to be able to find this video and get the information they need. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.